Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of this series. Today's topic will be cones, but not the traffic ones. I will be talking about conifers and their cones. The reason for this is because during my forest schools module at university, I have seen many cones in the woodland site we were using, and this made me question what is the role of a cone. For starters, conifers are plants, trees, found all over the world with evergreen needle-shaped leaves that have seeds attached to the scales of a cone. According to Eckenwalder from Britannica, some of the world's tallest trees are conifers, with some of them reaching 110 meters or 361 feet. Surprisingly or not, some of the smallest trees are also conifers, such as bonsai trees. According to Forestry Commission, in 2023 the most common conifers found in Great Britain are Sitka spruce with 51% of the conifer population, followed by Scots pine with 17% and larches with 10%. The name of this episode is How to Conquer a Forest. But what is a cone? A cone is a seed-bearing organ of a conifer that can contain 150 seeds or even more depending on the species. By looking at the shape, size and color, we can identify how old the cone is and which conifer or closely related conifer species belongs to. Let's take the most common species in the UK. A mature Sitka spruce cone grows to approximately 10 centimeters in length with thin and flexible scales, and the young cones are green. The Scots pine mature cones are between 3 and 7.5 centimeters long with a circular bump at the end of each scale. To finally answer the main question, how to conquer a forest, I will start by saying that there are two main types of cones, the male and female. The male cones are growing on the lower branches, while the female cones are the large and woody ones that everyone knows, and we see them further up the tree. The male cone produces pollen that will travel to the female cone and create a pollen tube that is part of the seed creation. This takes roughly a year. After fertilization, it takes approximately another 1 to 2 years for a female cone to develop the seeds. Within all this time, the scales of the female cone are closed. When the seeds are ready to be spread, the scales of the cone will open, letting the wind to spread the seeds in the forest. And this is how you conquer a forest. Thank you for watching this episode of this series, and I will see you in the next one.